Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to snap your fingers. This video was actually requested by a viewer, so I wanted to make this video tutorial to show them, as well as everybody else that's watching this, how to properly snap your fingers. Now, the two fingers that you use to snap, that I use to snap, are my middle finger and my thumb. Just like that. Now I'm going to show you a very simple process. The first thing is to actually get your fingers into these snapping positions. So you want to get your middle finger and your thumb just like this, in line with each other, bring them together. Now you see my middle finger is sticking out just a little bit past my thumb, and my index finger is up here. It sort of gives it balance, okay? And my ring finger and my pinky finger are down over here. Okay, so you want this position right over here. If you can mimic this position right now, you'll have the best chance at actually succeeding and snapping your finger. Now, the second step is to apply pressure on the fingers. But if I just apply pressure together, then I'm just pushing my fingers against each other. You can see the pressure right there. I'm not actually snapping. You want to apply pressure, and at the same time, you want to get your middle finger to be moving outwards towards your ring finger and your pinky finger, just like that. That's the motion that you want. Pressure and then to the side. And what causes the noise is actually the rubbing and then the movement. So watch this. Just like that. And you can hear your middle finger should land right where your ring finger is, right here in this little pocket right over there. That's what you want to do. Just like that. And then usually my thumb ends up meeting with my index finger, and the index finger is almost like the stopper for the snap. You see that? So all of these things together right over here, these three areas right here, 1, 2, 3 over here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The actual pressure, the landing, and the landing, those three things are, in my opinion, what make the sound so effective. All three things work with each other. So once again, you want to get your middle finger and your thumb along with each other, apply pressure, and to the side, and boom. Apply pressure. You want to build it up. Apply pressure. Just like that. And it's literally that simple. That is how to snap your fingers like a pro. Once again, this video was requested by a viewer. I know that many of you that are watching this might probably know how to snap your fingers already, but you know what? There are people that don't know how to do it, that want to learn exactly how to do it. And that's why I made this video, to show everybody that doesn't know how to snap their fingers how easy it is to do. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your tips are for snapping your fingers in the comment section below. Also, let me know what videos you want to see, what tutorials you want to see. Let me know in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.